Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Maina Shukla and watching your tech and coding channel MyCodeWorks. So guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create a Spring Boot project. Okay, so first thing, in order to create a Spring Boot project, we can use Spring Initializr, and I will use that one to create a project. And this project is going to be long, we are going to use this project for learning API testing, API development, and many more with this project. So it's just starting of the series. So we are going to create Spring Boot project, then we are going to visit Spring Initializr. If you write like this, then we will be able to see this page, and this page is all about to create a Spring Boot project. Okay, now in Spring Boot project we have lot of configuration, and whatever properties we want to set, we can easily set with this particular side. Okay, now we are going to select the project as Maven. First thing, Maven build we are going to use. So Maven is a build tool. Now in language we are going to use Java. And if you talk about the Spring Boot versions, we have lot of version listed here, out of which we are going to select the version which is supported by Java JDK 8. In my system JDK 8 is there, that's why I'm going to pick 2.7.16. okay, if you have more JDK 17.11, then you can pick 3.1.4, but it should be a stable version, not the snapshot. Like you can pick this one, you can pick this one, you can pick this one also. Okay, now if we talk about the project metadata, then we have here lot of things, lot of details here. So first thing is group. Okay, group means we are going to specify MyCodeWorks. So dot example means your company name, com dot your company name. So for as of now my channel name is MyCodeWorks, so I'm putting MyCodeWorks. It's up to you if you want to put your name, your blog name, your whatever you want to put, you can put it. And next one is artifact and name. Okay, if I change anything in artifact, it will be reflected in name, but later on I can change the name itself. Okay, so as of now I will write my code works. Okay, let's not put MyCodeWorks, I will write task API. Okay, I'm just writing task API. So task API is a application name that I'm keeping here, and I can edit this name as of now as task API app, task app API. Okay, API. Okay, so we can edit the name. After that we have description. So in description we can change this whatever you want, you can update this. Okay, I'm not going to put anything as of now, just you can update anything whatever you want. And the package name will be the same that you are putting here, artifact, it will be coming as a package name. There we have packaging here. So packaging is jar and var file, two type of packagings are available. So I'm going to pick as a jar first, as of now. And we are going to pick the Java JDK version as JDK 8. We have in my system as a JDK 8, so I'm going to pick. Now we have dependencies here. The main part of this Initializr project is we are going to select the dependencies here easily. Now in order to select the dependencies, which type of dependency I need to select? So first thing will be wave. Okay, Spring Wave. The first dependency I need to select for any Spring Boot project is wave as of now, if you're not creating any microservice project. Okay, so next will be I will pick as a dev tool for easy hard refresh and reset kind of. Okay, when we update anything in the application, it will get refreshed and we'll get the updated one. Okay, now I will add data JPA. Okay, I will add data JPA here. So as you can see here, I have added 3 dependencies, and I'm not going to add any of the SQL or database kind of here, but I will show you in upcoming videos how to add that one. Okay, so if you want to explore how pom.xml is getting generated back inside, then you can click on explore. If I click on explore, you can find out the things, right? Pom.xml, whatever dependencies that we have added, all the data will be added here. So you can see here we have added the Spring Boot normal, and after that tools I have added, wave I have added, and data JPA I have added, and the version that is picking up 1.8. okay, and the things whatever is mentioned here you can pick up, and the Spring Boot version here it is mentioned. So whatever we have added there, it is getting generated here, and we are going to the source file also we can see here, the main application file, how it will be. So we are going to download this whole project. You can also download this pom.xml here itself. If you click on download, this pom.xml get downloaded. If you are going to download whole project, then we are going to click on download. Okay, I'm going to click on download as of now because I need this project. So I will download this in document, and later on we'll check it. Okay, task API, I will download it. Okay, now this project got downloaded, and if I open in a folder, this is the zip file, and if I extract this zip file here, I will get all the resources file, I mean whatever source file we have there, and we'll get it here. Okay, so task API, if I open here, so you will get it here, all the files easily here, and we are going to import this project in the VS Code, and we are going to work on that. So this is all about creating a Spring Boot project and understanding the things, how to add dependencies and all. If you got any doubt, if you have anything, please let me know in comment section, and I recommend from next videos, please to start doing the things parallelly with me. It will be easy for you to follow up the steps and learn the things at the same time. Okay, I hope you understood well, and we'll meet in next video with the upcoming content related to the same project. We'll start working on this project. Okay, thanks for watching, and bye bye. We'll meet in next video.